Shut up and sit down.
Oh, hello and welcome to another side-by-side video. I've got 3 videos coming up and I'm going to show you how to change the air filter under the bonnet. I'm going to show you how to change the cabin air filter, which is located behind the glove box. I'm going to show you how to check and locate the filter for the hybrid battery. I've already done all 3 jobs. The videos are made. I'm just going home now from the location that I've made the videos at, and I didn't do them at home. I did them out in a lay-by on a country lane. The only tool I required for one of the jobs was a trim removal tool, which I carry in the car with me all the time, and it's just my pen knife, because it's got a really wide blade on it, and it fits the tab for removing the filter for the hybrid battery. I'll show you the tool, but every other filter I've just changed, there's no tools required, none at all. None for the air filter, none for the cabin air filter. 3 videos. They're coming up after this one. Thanks for watching. Please consider liking, please consider subscribing. Keep your eyes open for the 3 videos. And this car always feels livelier after it's had an air filter. It can breathe again properly now. You'll see in the video how dirty the filter was. Thanks for watching.